Multiverse AI is a cloud-based AI suite that grants users access to over 20 of the most advanced AI models across various categories, including text generation, visual creation, video production, voiceovers, and even AI coding. Multiverse AI features. Multiverse AI combines over 20 of the world's most advanced AI models, including ChatGPT 3.5 to 4.5 and 4.0, Gemini 1.5 Pro 2.0, Grok, Claude, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Veo, 11 Labs, and more, into a single cloud-based dashboard that requires no installations or technical skills. You can generate high-quality text content, realistic images, cinematic videos, professional voiceovers, and even full apps or automations with AI coding tools. It also offers multiverse access, meaning you'll automatically get future updates of each model without paying extra. Features like a voice-activated assistant, a client project manager, commercial usage rights, and one-click exporting make it ideal for content creators, marketers, freelancers, and agencies looking to streamline workflows and eliminate multiple software subscriptions.
Pricing and OTOs. Multiverse AI is available for a one-time payment of $14.95, giving you lifetime access to 20-plus top AI tools, future model updates, and commercial rights. No monthly fees. You can use code VERSE35 for 35% off the entire funnel, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee for peace of mind. Optional upgrades, OTOs, include Unlimited for $47 for full access with no limits, Pro $37 for 50-plus extra tools, DFY Setup $167 for done-for-you customization, Automation for $37 to auto-schedule and publish content, Video Thunderbolt for $147 for cinematic video creation, Vox Titan for $37 for advanced voice cloning, Agency for $297 to sell user accounts, reseller for $77 to keep 100% of profits, and white label for $397 to rebrand the entire platform as your own, each with discount codes to maximize savings.
Pros and cons. Pros: this all-in-one platform offers access to text, video, audio, code, and image tools from a single dashboard with a low one-time cost and a commercial license for unlimited monetization. It includes lifetime updates, voice command support, multiple advanced AI models like GPT 4.5 and Gemini 2.0, and is beginner-friendly with agency-focused client management features. Cons. However, it requires an internet connection since it's cloud-based, with some top features locked behind upgrades. API limits are unclear, which may affect heavy users, and the interface can initially feel overwhelming due to the many tools available. Final verdict: is Multiverse AI worth it? Yes, without a doubt. For under $15, Multiverse AI is a steal. It's ideal for anyone using multiple AI tools for writing, design, video, or coding, saving you hundreds or thousands annually. With commercial licensing, hands-free features, and future-proof AI models, it's one of 2025's best value AI platforms, perfect for solopreneurs, agencies, marketers, creators, and developers. For advanced automation or agency needs, consider the Unlimited, Pro, and Automation upgrades.